Welcome back to HowCar USA, the home of American muscle, classic power, and pure driving emotion. Today, we're stepping back in time to an icon from the golden age of performance, the 1980 Ford Shelby GT350. A car that carried the Shelby legacy into a new era, blending raw power, unmistakable style, and that unforgettable American roar. Under the hood sits a 5.0-liter V8 engine, pushing out 210 horsepower and 270 lb-ft of torque. In the 1980s, this was serious performance, enough to launch the GT350 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.8 seconds. With a top speed touching 135 miles per hour. It came with either a 4-speed manual transmission for true driving purists, or an optional 3-speed automatic for those who wanted effortless cruising with the same Shelby spirit. And of course, the rear-wheel drive setup made every acceleration feel raw and connected, pure muscle car magic. On the outside, this car demands attention. The glossy jet black paint paired with white racing stripes running from hood to trunk gives it that bold, timeless Shelby look. Its long hood, wide stance, and chrome accents speak the language of performance. This wasn't just a car you drove, it was a car that announced your arrival. Even today, this black and white combo remains one of the most iconic designs in Mustang and Shelby history. Step inside, and you're met with classic simplicity and muscle-era charm. Black leather seats hug you tight, offering comfort with a touch of aggression. The black luxury dashboard, detailed with analog gauges, gives you a true driver's cockpit feel. A reminder that this car was built for people who love driving, not just commuting. Everything inside feels mechanical, direct, and purposeful. No distractions, no gimmicks, just power and control. The 1980 Ford Shelby GT350 may not have been the most powerful Shelby ever made, but it carried the torch of a legend during an era when true performance was fading away. It reminded the world what American muscle could feel like, a perfect blend of speed, design, and heritage. Today, it stands as a collector's gem, loved by enthusiasts who respect the Shelby name and its fearless attitude. This car isn't just a machine, it's a story of passion, power, and persistence. A reminder of a time when cars had personality, sound, and soul. That's the Ford Shelby GT350, 1980, bold, classic, and forever American. If you love legendary cars like this, don't forget to subscribe to HowCar USA. And tell us in the comments which classic muscle car we should feature next.